Welcome to this Disneyland Paris Construction update brought to you in collaboration with DLP Works. In this video, we'll take a look at the latest changes happening around the resort. To give you the best overview, we're presenting the updates in chronological order, starting with the oldest changes and working our way up to the most recent developments. So let's get started and see what's new at Disneyland Paris. New lampposts have been installed at the entrance of Adventure Way in Walt Disney Studios Park. Freshly placed along the entrance near Hollywood Boulevard, these lampposts feature a slightly different and more neutral design with a dark green color. Their style closely matches the lampposts near the upcoming retail space that will replace the former Tower of Terror Fast Pass area in Disneyland Paris. After the opening of Brasserie Rosalie in late 2023, Disney Village will expand its charm with Petite Rosalie, a new open-air terrace arriving in April. Located beside its namesake on the banks of Lake Disney, this seasonal space will welcome guests from spring through autumn. Designed as a warm and inviting retreat, Petite Rosalie will seat 66 guests on a spacious terrace surrounded by greenery and shaded by beige parasols. Created by the Bertrand Hospitality Group and Walt Disney Imagineering Paris, the terrace blends seamlessly with the brasserie's elegant style. At its center, a kiosk will serve French-inspired snacks and light meals, including salads, crepes, desserts, and cool drinks. Petite Rosalie marks another step in the transformation of Disney Village, offering guests a fresh new way to relax and enjoy the atmosphere. Progress continues at Walt Disney Studios Park as the new Tangled Spin Ride and Adventures Way take shape. A cart loaded with violet-themed lampposts has arrived near the Tangled Spin attraction, suggesting that installation of themed elements is about to begin. At the same time, signs of spring are bringing the area to life with trees blossoming along the main Adventures Way pathway, adding a burst of color and energy to the expanding Disney Adventure world. Things are picking up near the future Lion King land at Walt Disney Studios Park. The entire area has recently been cleared, even though no official permit has been filed for this specific zone just yet. In the foreground, progress continues around the East Pavilion, which has had its permit recently updated. Meanwhile, the space between Gazebo Garden and the pavilion is also being fully cleared, likely in preparation for a new development, as suggested by the latest permit filed for Disneyland Paris. Spring is in full swing around the Walt Disney Studios Park expansion area, and progress is evident everywhere. Along Adventure Way, the flowering trees add a vibrant touch. And if you look closely, you can spot the gazebo structure in the English Garden, still under construction. Across the Disneyland Paris expansion, scaffolding is being taken down, gradually revealing more of the completed work. New themed lampposts have been installed, and fresh trees are being planted near the new Toy Story Playland entrance, enhancing the area with even more life and energy. World Premiere Plaza transformation nears completion. Exciting changes are taking shape at Disneyland Paris as the World Premiere area gets closer to its grand reopening. The former Walt Disney Studios facade has undergone a major refresh, with most of the repainting now complete. Only a few final touches remain before the new look is fully unified and ready to be revealed. Across the plaza, enhancements continue with new benches now installed, offering fresh spots for guests to relax. Nearby, the garden bed borders surrounding the Animagique Theater have also been finished, adding a polished touch to the area's landscaping. This newly revitalized section is expected to reopen around April the 21st. Perfectly timed for the highly anticipated return of Mickey and the Magician. Adventure Way and Hollywood Boulevard ready for opening. Adventure Way and Hollywood Boulevard are now fully completed and under protective coverings, marking the final countdown before they welcome guests once again. The area looks nearly ready, with only a few cosmetic finishes left to be applied. Once reopened, this ski zone is expected to significantly enhance guest flow and improve the overall park experience, reconnecting vital paths and adding fresh energy to the park just in time for the busy season ahead. Latest Big Thunder Mountain updates. Exciting progress is underway at Big Thunder Mountain in Frontierland at Disneyland Paris. The iconic wooden tower of Lift B has officially returned, bringing back one of the landmark features of the attraction's silhouette. Nearby, themed wooden planks are currently staged and ready for installation. These will soon cover the freshly replaced rail section just after the on-ride photo drop, adding the finishing touches to this portion of the refurbishment. The mountain is steadily coming back to life piece by piece. That wraps up this look at the latest construction progress at Disneyland Paris. Big thanks to DLP Works for teaming up with me on this one. It's always great to bring you these updates together. If you enjoyed the video, I'd love to have you back for the next one, so make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon.